This video tutorial shows how to create a new MySQL database in the DirectAdmin control panel. Sign in to your DirectAdmin control panel with your username and password. Click the databases icon in the Account Manager section. Type a name for the new database in the Database Name field. The Advanced mode provides more control, letting you create a database with a custom username and manually set password. Click the Create button to set up the database. The database has been created. Be sure to store the connection details securely, as they are displayed only once.